Today we will see how to make mango pachadi. For that we will need 2 raw mangoes, mustard seeds, curry leaves, asafoetida, red chilies, salt, jaggery and oil. Let the pan get heated. Pour oil. After the oil is heated, add mustard seeds. Saute it well. Add crushed red chilies. Let the color change. Till then, saute it well. Add curry leaf. Add grated mango. Add asafoetida. Add salt. Nicely mix it well. Add jaggery. Let it slowly melt. Till it melts, give it a good stir. Now it have melted slowly. Cover it with a lid. After 2 to 3 minutes, it is still watery. Till it gets thick, we must stir. Now it is thicker. Now let's transfer it. This is a side dish for curd rice. This contains sweet, sour and spice. Ready to be served. Green mango health benefits: helps weight loss, good for the liver, good for the blood, helps diabetes, prevents loss of minerals, aids digestion.